In our previous video, we have discussed about learning theories and another topic related to the education of learning. So today we are going to learn about language and linguistics. In language and linguistics, first of all, we are going to discuss about definition of language. Let's start. Language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by means which we communicate with each other. It is a human species specific innate possession which is different from other animals. Different linguists have given different definitions of language. They are mentioned below. Number 1, language is a system or arbitrary vocal symbols by means of which a social group cooperates. This definition given by Bloch and Traeger. Another one is language is a system of human communication by means of a structural arrangement of sounds to form longer units. For example, morphemes, words, sentences. Richards. Next, language can be defined as the expression of thoughts that means of speech sounds. Henry Sweet. Language is a set, definite or indefinite, of sentences, each finite in length and constructed out of finite set of elements, given by Chomsky. So, the aforementioned definitions define language as a system of arbitrary vocal symbols and structural arrangement to form longer unit of our communication. So this is some definition. These are some definitions of language. Then next, linguistic. What is linguistic? Linguistic can be defined as a systematic study of language. Okay, it is a systematic study of language. It follows the general methodology of science. The word linguistic is derived from Latin word. Okay, it's derived from Latin word lingua, which means tongue, and istic, which means knowledge or science. So it also known as the system of human communication. And there are some principles. The scientific principle of linguistics can be discussed below. Number 1, principle of explicitness. The word explicitness refers to the clearness. Therefore, subject matter should be clear to the readers or learner. The subject which we are going to learn or teach, that should be clear. So, number 2 is principle of objectivity. The data which is collected, interpreted, should be objectively verifiable when the experiment reaches to the result. For example, if water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, it can be tested, verified and experimented. As the same, number 3, principle of consistency. Consistency refers to the absence of contradiction between different parts of the total statement. There should be uniformity. Okay. Any dispute should not be arise, and linguistics must be consistent. Okay. Then number 4, Principle of comprehensiveness. Okay, what type of comprehensiveness should be there? It refers to the data that should cover all, because the theory is whole, not part. The linguistics should collect all the data that every part of the language. So this is about comprehensiveness. Number 5, it's principle of economy. Linguistics should follow the principle of economy by using a few rules, symbols, abbreviations, formula, and so on. Economy. Then last one is principle of systematicness. It is another important principle of scientific study. A linguist should properly organize the different things. They can systematize by sequencing of things and showing interrelationship between the other units. Characteristics of language. Characteristics refers to the internal properties of the features. Characteristics means or refers to the internal properties or features that make human language different from other means of communication. Human language is unique and it has the following features. They are listed below. Number 1, it's in language there is no one-to-one relationship between the words and the objects it referred to. So it is arbitrariness. It is arbitrary, or arbitrariness is there. Number 2, duality in patterning. Human language has creative or productivity. Human language has creativity or productivity. Next is displacement. It is not limited in present time, in environment and surrounding. It is displacement. Language is system of system. Language is changeable. It can be changed. Language is culturally transmitted. Next is there is specification in human language. Human language is open-endedness, a social phenomena. So this is all about characteristics of language. And for today, I think this all are enough to learn for today. So in our next video we will discuss about the language level and different categories of language. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.